Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change video background in CapCut. And here's how it is done. Step 1. Start by opening CapCut on your PC. Import the video footage you want to edit by clicking on Import, selecting your video, and then clicking Open to bring it into the project. Drag and drop the video clip onto the timeline, the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Now go to the top right corner and ensure the video tab is selected. Click on the remove option. If your background is a green screen, use the chroma key feature. If not, use auto removal to remove the background. Step 3. To add a new background, go to the basic tab and scroll down to find the canvas option. Click on none and then choose between blur, color, or pattern. I am selecting pattern here, where you will find a variety of backgrounds. Pick the one you like or upload your own image or video. For a moving background, place the video on the upper timeline. Click on Library to choose the background and drag it onto the timeline below your video clip. Adjust the background by dragging its corners as needed. Now preview your video to see the new background in action. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the background in CapCut. That is everything you need to know about how to change video background in CapCut. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.